Today I'm going to talk to you about something called genitofemoral neuropathy. Genitofemoral neuropathy is when the genitofemoral nerve gets compressed. It's a nerve which cuts out of your lumbar spine. It moves about in between your muscles, your psoas major muscle, and it will come like this, and then it goes to your inguinal canal to supply the anterior part of your thigh, the femoral part, and the genital part will supply the genital area. In females, the labia; in males, the scrotal region. Recently, I had a patient who came to me typically of pain on this side for many years, more than 10 to 12 years. Since his childhood, he keeps feeling there is some kind of swelling, and the pain has been increasing successively. On taking history, he had an inguinal hernia repair surgery when he was 6 months of age. On doing a proper thorough history and a proper thorough examination, I came to the diagnosis and conclusion that there is an entrapment of the genitofemoral nerve which exactly runs like this on this area. Now, when you go to a gynecologist, or you may go to a urologist, or you may go to a surgeon, they will give you a CT scan, ultrasound, MRI. Most likely, all of these reports are going to be normal, as my patient had. So for this, if you want a proper diagnosis for your pain and successively you want a proper treatment, you need to see a neuropelviologist. I'm Dr. Juhi Ranawat, consultant gynecologist, endometriosis specialist, and neuropelviologist in India. We are also consulting online. Number is given below. If you feel that you need a diagnosis for your pain, chronic pain, long-lasting pain in the pelvic region, lower buttock regions, as well as your legs, you can contact me and we will help you.